So hello everyone, let us solve another LeetCode question, that is evaluate Boolean binary tree. So let us read the problem statement. So you are given a root of a full binary tree with the following properties. A leaf node can have either value 0 or 1, which represents 0 means false and 1 means true. And a non-leaf node can have either value 2 or 3, where 2 represents Boolean OR and 3 represents Boolean AND. So basically we can have only two kind of nodes. One is the leaf node and other can be non-leaf node. Leaf node can have either value true or false. Non-leaf node can have either value Boolean or Boolean AND. Now we need to evaluate this entire binary tree, and they have said how to evaluate it. So the evaluation of the node is as follows. If the node is a leaf node, the evaluation is the value of the node itself, that is true or false. Otherwise we will evaluate the node's two children and apply the Boolean operation of its value. We will understand with the help of this first example what the question is trying to say. So let us see this first example and try to derive the solution out of it. So this is the first example that they have given. So the values are not present like OR, true and false. Like I have for simplicity written these values, but it would be given in a format where true represents 1, false represents 0, or represents 2 and 3 represents AND. So for simplicity I have just written this down. So what we need to do, we need to start evaluating from the root node itself, and we need to go until we reach the leaf node. So we go here and we go here. So we see that this is the leaf node. So leaf node have the evaluation as the node itself, the node value itself. So it is true. So it will give this its parent the value true. Now for the right child part, it has the AND. Now it is not the leaf node, so we will go further down until we reach the leaf node. So once we check its left child and the right child, we see that this is the leaf node and this is the leaf node. Now the evaluation of the leaf node is the value of the node itself. So it will return false here and it will return true here. So for this node evaluation, we need to perform the Boolean AND operation of its left child and its right child. So false Boolean AND with true. So it will give us the result false itself. So it will return the value false here. Now for this evaluation of the root node, again we need to take the evaluation of its left child and evaluation of its right child. So its left child is giving value true and its right child is giving value false. Now true or false will give you true itself. So the answer of this first example is true itself, and this is how we will evaluate. So what we are doing, we are doing nothing, that we are just moving to the leaf node, and once we reach the leaf node, whatever value that is present, we will pass on it to its parent. Now its parent will evaluate based on its present value. Like present value means its parent, its value itself. If it is AND, it will do the AND operation. If it is OR, it will do the OR operation. So let us understand in more clear way. So what we are doing, we have four scenarios. Either we can have value 1, either we can have value 0, either we can have value 2, or we can have value 3. Now if we have like value equal to 1, like particular node's value is 1, that is we are at the leaf node. Now we need to evaluate this leaf node. Now evaluation of the leaf node is done by the value present there itself. So if the value is 1, that means it is true, so we will return true. If the value is 0, that means again it is a leaf node, we need to evaluate false, so we will return false. Now if the root's value or node's value is 2, that means we need to take its left child value and the right child value and do the OR operation. Otherwise, if its value is equal to 3, we need to do the AND operation of its left child as well as the right child's value. So these are the four scenarios, and this is how we will proceed. So let us write the code now for better understanding. Let us write the code now. So we will write some solve function which will return us the evaluation of the entire binary tree, and we will pass on this root node first. So it will give us the result in binary because everything is done in binary operation. So it will return us either true value or false value. So it will return us a Boolean value. So we will write this solve function and we will see all the four scenarios that we have discussed so far. So we will first pass on the parameters. Now what can be the first case? We have discussed it already. If the root value is equal to 1, that means it is a leaf node, so we need to return true itself. Otherwise, if it is root's value is equal to 0, that means again it is a leaf node and we need to return its corresponding value. So 0 represents false, so we will return false. Now if it is not 0 and it is not 1, that means it is a non-leaf node. So it can be either root value equal to 2 or root value equal to 3. So it can be either 2 or it can be 3. So for 2, what we need to do, we need to perform the Boolean OR operation. So Boolean OR operation of what? It's left child as well as right child. So we will call a function solve, again a recursive function, to call its left child, and we will do the OR operation. We will again call the solve function and if for the right child. So we will get the left child value and the right child value, and we will perform this Boolean OR operation. Now in the else condition, we just need to do the same, but the thing is we need to do the Boolean AND operation. So this is how this will work. So let us see again what we are doing. So if it is the leaf node, so these are to the these two conditions are for the leaf node. So either a leaf node can have value 1 or 0. If it is a leaf node, we just need to directly evaluate it's either true or false. So if it is leaf node's value is 1, that means it is true, so we will return true, or it's false, so we will return false. Now we can have non-leaf nodes also. So if root value is equal to 2, that means it is a non-leaf node. So we will call its left child and we will get the evaluated answer for that. Then we will call the right child and we will get the evaluated answer for that. And for value equal to 2, we will do the OR operation. Same for the value equal to 3. Just the thing is we need to do Boolean AND operation instead of Boolean OR. So this is how this code will work. Let us see if it's run on sample test case. Sorry for that. So let us run on sample test case. So yeah, it works fine on sample test case. Let us try to submit it. So yeah, our code got accepted. Hope you learned from this video. Thank you.